Well, today's the start of the big cleanup maintenance routine before we head north to Jordan. So first thing to do is the header. We clean the junk out of the header so that when it's clean it looks new, brand new, almost. Dump the rock trap to clean it out. It's a good thing it does what it's supposed to do. Those are pretty big rocks. Can't believe I didn't know I even picked them up. And now see how clean it is, because it's clean, almost like brand new. Strap down and ready for the road. Watch this. Can you see them? Can you see all the grasshoppers? So one of my jobs after a job is done is cleaning out vehicles, which I do not like at all. And today, when I was cleaning out the Pete, I noticed Jim had a can of Armor All wipes in the cab. So after I vacuumed everything out, I grabbed the Armor All wipes and started cleaning and realized I was using way more than I should have when there's only 30 in this container. And he had some wet wipes here, so I grabbed wet wipes, which has 100 in a bag. And they did a fantastic job. So if you're looking for an easy, fast way to get the dust off of your truck dashes and wherever else, grab the baby wipes over the Armor All. Maybe something to do with the wildfires. It looks like it's got something behind it, like you see on TV that puts out fires. Last vehicle. I really dislike cleaning out vehicles. Ugh.